Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today I thought I'll do things a little bit differently where I'll do a voiceover instead. So let's see how we go. So here I am centering the piece of clay. Now part of the reason I am coning up to begin with is for two reasons. One, it helps with removing any air bubbles that may be trapped in the clay, and the second reason is it makes centering the piece of clay a lot easier. Now in order to make this piece we have to bring the clay down quite low on the wheel, pretty much like a pancake. Now in order to help with flattening the clay quite evenly, I'm using a rolling pin to do that. Now here you can see there's a lot of unevenness on the clay, so in order to avoid this, just make sure that you are putting quite a lot of water on the clay before you press the rolling pin down. Here we are now using a wooden rib to help smooth out and even out the base of the clay. Using the rib also helps with ensuring the base is compressed, and that way it prevents any potential S cracks happening while the piece is drying or when we're doing the firing. Now with the base all compressed, we are going to use a sponge to help create the wall. Now the way we do this, as you can see, we're pressing on the edge of the clay and moving our hands towards the center of the piece. Now as we move our hands towards the center, you will notice that I had my left hand on the inside of a ball and supporting the clay that was moving up. This helps to ensure that the clay doesn't collapse inward and I have better control of the wall that way. So now I am working on refining the wall to the shape and thickness that I desire for this piece. With the help of a knife, I am removing any excess clay that sometimes accumulate at the base of a piece. This helps with making the trimming a lot easier later. Here I'm using the straight side of a wooden rib to make sure that I end up with a straight wall. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like the new format with me explaining what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can view more videos like this. Until then, see you next time. Bye!